to a place called Projekts in Manchester, which is an awesome skate park if you've got anyone that likes roller skating or skateboarding, mostly skateboarding and stunts. This is a brilliant place. It's not too expensive, £8.50 for 2 hours. This is the women's only session we're going to. So, and I'm going to chill out in the van. I'll show you around kind of what I do when the kids are busy doing something. I can chill out, make a brew, put the heater on. I'll show you around in a bit. Anyway, come along. Pizza Hut.
Oh no, I nearly missed it that way.
Watch the van.
The pain.
Okay, so the kids are settled. I'm going to go back to the van, have a brew and get some work done. I just wanted to share with you what I do when I'm on my computer and how I get Wi-Fi. I've obviously got a laptop here and I've got a phone, and we used to use something called a MiFi, which is like a little dongle thing, I guess, that you buy this. I'll put a link in the description, and you put a SIM card in it that has data only, and whenever that's turned on and it's got a connection, anyone in the van or nearby can use it as a Wi-Fi signal. So that's been really helpful, apart from the fact that we used 3 and we found that 3 didn't have great coverage in Wales and certain places that we visited. So we decided when our phone contracts ran out to renew with more data and just use the hotspot on our phones. So now we can hotspot the laptop, the kids' phones and devices on our mobile phone, and we find that much easier. So yeah, so if you've any other ideas of how to get Wi-Fi in a camper van, or cheaper options, please put it in the comments, because it's always good to share.